Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to be working on lesson 2.6, which is thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. But first things first, you need to have your materials, which are pages 25 and 26 of the math book, pencil, sharpener, and eraser. Okay, you can pause the video to go get your materials. Okay, once you have your materials, we're going to start with mental math. Okay, you can pause the video, solve them, and then we're going to solve them together. Ready? Okay, the first one says 2 times 6 plus 9. So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 9. That's going to be 21. Okay, 14 less than 16. That's 2 plus 14. It would be 16. The next one says 200 more than 1/4 of 8. 1/4 of 8 is 2 plus 200. That gives us 202. And the last one says less than 415 but more than 413. So it would be the number that is between those two numbers, which is 414. Okay, I hope you had the same numbers. Let's continue, and we're going to start with the lesson. On page 25, we have a problem that says a human heart normally beats 72 times every minute. How many times does a normal heart beat in one day? And they give us a chart. If you can see it there, it's very similar to this one here. So it gives us the amount of beats and the time for each. So it says that for every minute we have 72 beats, which is this one here. For every hour we have 4,320, and every day a normal heart beats 103,680. Okay? So now what we need to do is that we're gonna put these numbers on our chart. Okay, we have here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Okay, today we're going to be working only up to 100,000s. Okay, we're going to be using these spaces here. Remember that we start filling in from the last digit, which is the one in the ones place, until we fill the spaces we need. Okay, clear? Okay, so the number that we need to write is 103,680. So we start with the 0, the 8, 6. So we have here 680. Now we need the thousands part. We have number 3, the 0, and the 1. Remember that we write the zeros, but we don't say them. Okay, so this number here is going to be 103,680. Okay, so you need to write that where it says we know that the normal heart beats 103,680 times in one day. Okay, let's continue. Also, these numbers, we can write them in the standard form. Okay, the standard form is the one that we just wrote in the chart, which would be 100, 3,000, remember the comma, 680. Okay, that would be the standard form. The standard form is the number that we usually write, and the expanded form is when we separate those numbers into additions. So it would be 100,000. Remember that 100,000 has 5 zeros, plus the next number that we have is a 0 right here. But we're not going to write the 4 zeros. We're just going to write the following number, which is not a 0. It would be the 3, and the rest of the numbers here would turn them into zeros. So it would be 3,000 plus the next one would be 600 plus the 80. Okay, so this one here, guys, the full number 103,680, this way it's written in the standard form, and this one we have it in the expanded form, 100,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 plus 80. Okay, so again, standard form and expanded form. Okay, guys, so now you're gonna do the practice that says getting started on page 25, and the practice also on page 26. You need to do the whole page, please, where it says practice, and also you need to do problem solving. Okay, I'll talk to you later, and if you guys have any questions, let your parents know so they can write to me through Cloud Campus. See you guys.